Hi and welcome to DoPchoice. We want to show you today how to mount the FAT-RABBIT system onto your big panels. Therefore, when you unpack your carton, you will find this kind of corners over there. The best thing is you have these corners and you have the bars in between, the silver ones in between. Put it down on the ground and align them. First thing is to screw in here with thumb screws over here. On the other hand, also to take this kind of metal angle into this position. There are several positions. I will tell you later a bit more about it. Once you lay it down, make sure there's two blocks over there, one black one and one silver one. But the black one is always on the top line and on the bottom line. You see it over here. Here's the black one, here's the black one, and the silver ones are always here on the side. Yes, it's on the silver side, black one, black one. This is important when you end up on 3 silver ones on each side. And these are the receivers for your poles that you want to put in. We have, instead of our octars, we have 12 poles that you can put into this system. This has a big advantage. I will show it later when we are talking about the snapbags. So first step, it's the easiest. If you bring your light into a horizontal position like a little table over there, you will see that we are using the corner maximum out, like in here, for the ARRI that you see in here. On the other hand, on the DMG Maxi, we have it maximum in, so you just open with 2 screws and put it down over there. Once you have it placed on your fixture, you take your straps and tighten them up in a proper way. Really make sure that we are going here through these holes. Make also sure that this should be sit in the middle. So over here I would correct it a little bit so that it sits directly in the middle of this whole thing. And also over here we want to tighten it up so that it is sitting over this steel plate and it's fixed in a big way. Don't forget to use a safety that you loop into here and onto your fixture so that there's no way that the whole thing can fall down, especially when you hang it upside down. And as you can see, you're quite flexible. On the Maximix, you have so much more space so that you can extend it like that. Make sure that on the back side, you always see in this hole that there is still some tube over there. On our homepage, we will provide you how to set up precisely the corners and these brackets here on the side. This is like on the Rabbit page where you will see exactly and precisely how you combine your frame onto your fixture. Now it's your choice which kind of snapback you want to use on your FAT-RABBIT system.